Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through utilizing the company and ticker search bar to surface topics, trends, and documents related to a company of interest. Using the company and ticker search bar, I can enter the name or ticker of any public or private company. I can either search for single or multiple entities. When searching for a single entity, I'll see all documents that have been issued either by or about the company I searched for on the left. And on the right, I see a company overview and tear sheet. This provides an overview of the company as well as financial data and metrics. Scrolling down, I can find previews of the most relevant expert call transcripts, as well as company summaries of earnings and research, synthesized by generative search. When I need to gain an understanding of this organization's focus areas or explore new research opportunities, I turn to the Company Topics section. This is a summary of company topics mentioned in event transcripts. I can adjust my view to see the most relevant topics, the topics that are mentioned most often, and even see topics mentioned in a more positive or negative context. And when searching multiple companies together, the documents populated in my search results will all be either issued by or about these organizations. Coupling this with my keyword search, I can begin to explore how particular topics and themes have affected companies I care about. Thanks for watching.